पीताम्बरं करविराजितशङ्खचक्रकौमोदगी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायमतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशमनिशं हृदि भावयामि. Very good news to devotees of Sri Guru Vairappa that a separate building, a separate bungalow consisting 4.1 cents and built-up area of 3,000 square feet, carrying first floor and second floor, well built, 4 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms available, and separate compound wall also available. Only 700 meters from the great Sri Krishna temple of Guruvayur, walkable distance around 7 to 10 minutes. You can hear the devotional songs or the bell sound of Sri Guru Vairappa from this space. Such a wonderful building property situated at 13/126 Akshaya Nagar, next to Anganwadi, South Samuham Road, Guruvayur, is on sale, and it can be the details of which can be have from Dr. Padu Subramanya Shastrigal, astrologer and Vedic scholar of Guruvayur Jyotirveda Padashala. Brokers, please excuse. And one who is really loved to be at Guruvayur and if they want to rent it out, that also possible. 2 separate EB connection also is there, and ever watering well is there, and the water is precious in Guruvayur, and this house water is just like an amrita, so water is no problem at all, and fully covered, fully walled, and both 3 sides are free. One side the west, the north side road, and the west side also road, and the east side is building of government property. So nothing to worry at all, free from all encumbrance, ready to sell property. And if somebody is interested, the Vedic scholars or the craftsmen or the dance teachers, they can have their own classes here. Separate parties available for taking class and other things. Veda for the building is very good for Veda Padasala and connected activities. Bhagavata class, Narayaniya class, all are going on. Since Shastrigal got another property at Guruvayur, he want to sell it off. And if you are really interested, please contact Dr. Shastrigal 8943340423 for detail and for your inquiry and visit. Wish you all the best. So, brokers, please excuse the persons who really want to live at Guruvayur, the doorstep of Sri Guruvayurappa, can contact, and the cost may not be much constrainable based on the dignity of the buyer. Idhambaram Karavirajidashankhachakrakaumoudhagīsarasijam Karunasamudram Radhasahayamadisundaramandahasam Vadhalayeshamanisham Pratibhavayami. Please visit the full video, and if you are really interested, please contact me. Thank you.
Nandana Devadi Vandana Parama Purusha Sri Narayana Dinavum Tirunamam Jabal Sayam Bhaktarai Dinavum Tirunamam Jabal Sayam Bhaktarai Anaipai Tunayaga Narayana Dinavum Tirunamam Jabasayum Bhaktarai Anaipai Tunayaga Narayana Vidinashanam Papa Mojanam Vidinashanam Papa Mojanam Neelamega Sundara Srimal Narayana Vidinashana Papa Mojana Neelamega Sundara Srimal Narayana Neelamega Sundara Srimal Narayana Murali Madhava Madhusudana Guru Pavana Puradipa Narayana Mogana Murali Madhava Madhusudana